How to turn on auto download audio using mobile data on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on auto download audio using mobile data on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find this one, storage and data, and click this one when using mobile data, and then just click audio and click OK, and now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.